Hey everyone, Theresa the AI Quilter here. Let's talk tools. In quilting, you wouldn't use a seam ripper to sew a seam or a rotary cutter to press fabric. Every tool has its purpose, right? Well, AI is no different. AI is great for things like coming up with creative ideas, drafting text, or helping you think outside your normal constraints. But when it comes to precision tasks like drafting a detailed quilt pattern or designing a piecing friendly layout, it's just not the right tool. Here's an example. You could ask AI to describe a quilt that feels modern and vibrant, and it'll give you great words to inspire your design. But if you ask it to generate a perfect quilt pattern, you might get something visually interesting, but totally impractical to sew and with no instruction at all. Think of AI as a brainstorming buddy, but not your master quilter. Use it wisely, and you'll find it's an amazing addition to your creative process. Want exclusive tips and updates? Subscribe to my newsletter. It's like quilting together, but in your inbox.